All right, so we're going to start by selecting the image that you want to mimic, right? So we take a screenshot, and the reason for that is because we want a JPEG, not a WEP, which is what happens if you right-click download. All right, so you take that, and then you go over to ChatGPT, and you're going to paste the prompt that I'm sharing below. You drop it in there, along with the image screenshot you just took, and it'll generate the prompt that you need for the next step. All right, so once it generates the prompt, you take that prompt and then you're going to drop it into your image generator of choice. You can do Nano Banana. I actually ended up going with Sora, a ChatGPT Sora, and it worked out great. And you'll see the end result. It looks a whole lot different than what I'm working on here, but it ends up being, but the process is the same regardless of what you use. I tested all three, and Sora was the one that gave me the best results. So I ended up using that image. So if the image that you generate has a background, you can bring it over to Kittl, and in Kittl you drop in that image. And then the first step you're going to do is you're going to size it to the proper dimensions, and you're going to upscale it to increase the sharpness of the image. Okay, that only takes a couple seconds. Select the image and then click upscale. Once your image has been upscaled, what you want to do is you want to then remove the background. Okay. So you select it again and then you hit remove background. So this here shows you how to generate the image. Now you take that image that you've generated and then you drop it into the template that you're using for your thumbnail, and you will see this is what I ended up with. That image in the left is the original. The image in the right is what I ended up going with. So it makes you look like a creator or influencer.